is our 4th day of using our Tohoku pass. As I've said in the past few days, we have bought a Tohoku pass at 30,000 yen, and the Tohoku pass can be used for 5 days straight, which is why we are gonna have 5 days of adventure-packed days, and this is the 4th day. So today we're gonna go to Geibikei. Again, we're on Shinkansen because it's free. Not technically free because we've paid for the Tohoku pass, but yeah, you can just keep taking Shinkansen if you want. So yeah, we're going to Geibikei. Geibikei is like basically a boat ride, a 1 hour plus boat ride, where they bring you through a gorge, and apparently it's very, very pretty, very nice, and I'm hoping that it will be autumn, like full autumn now. I hope it's not just day trees and all, even though I know winter has its own charms, but yeah, and it'll be very fun, I think. So yeah. Oh, before we go to Geibikei, we're gonna stop at Ichinoseki station, and we're gonna have lunch there. So from Morioka, Shinkansen to Ichinoseki, have lunch there. After that, at Ichinoseki, take local line to Geibikei. Hey, so now we're walking to the restaurant. We're at Ichinoseki's station already, and it's a very nice. I like it. I really like it.
Yeah.
It's quiet. If look at the floor, the cases are all tiled. So now we have reached Geibikei train station, and we are walking to the boat ride place. So yeah, we're very excited.
Yeah.
It's a short walk to the actual boat ride place from the station, and yeah, so far I would say it's quite convenient to get here. I mean, it takes time. You cannot compare it to like Tokyo or Osaka kind of tourist attraction, but yeah, and the train ride, you see many scenic views. You can buy these 3 things, 3 for 100 yen, and then you can throw it into the hole. If you throw it in, it means that your wish will come true. I'll throw it in.
Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
I think I ended up littering.
Yeah.
I missed my first one. I should have just. Okay, so now we are done with our boat, right? And we are just sitting by the river. I don't know if you can see the river. Yeah. And we're gonna eat ice cream while we sit by the river. We're gonna take local train back. It's the only way, I think. And the local train comes like once every 2 hours. So we have 2 hours to spare now. So we're just gonna eat ice cream, chill a bit, and maybe just explore the Geibikei town. Wow, after we finish eating our ice cream, we're just gonna enjoy our lives first. But after we finish eating the ice cream, we will give you guys a debrief.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, this is Zonda ice cream. Zonda is the crushed edamame ice cream. It's actually the specialty of the Sendai, the prefecture of Sendai. Miyagi prefecture. Yeah, but they sold it here, and he decided to try the Zonda. And mine is mountain green.
Okay. You want to put your finger for thumb for scale? Look.
So we found an abandoned small truck toy. It's very, very small, and it's just on the railing.
Yeah.
And show them.
Yeah.
It's just on the railing.
This is the actual scale. Show me.
They have fresh produce in the family market here. So, since we have a lot of time and the sky is actually getting dark at 4 p.m. So we're just gonna, eat our family market food here. We'll show you the video later, but basically I bought the famichiki with this because we can put it and make it into a burger. And we also bought because it's autumn, they have sweet potato. We'll show you later. The bun is very chewy. It's good quality bun, especially from such packaged. I think it's actually very good quality. But I would say it would be better to have 2 famichiki in one because now we have more bun than the famichiki.
Yeah, I agree.
It's not bad, but honestly, I will just buy the famichiki by itself next time.
Pizza for you, one.
This is lemon and this is prosciutto.
Yes.